Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing a December plan with me video. I'm so excited to share with you my updates and what I have planned for December. So without further ado, let's get in. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small biz owner. I also share a lot of desk, tech, productivity, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get in. So let's start off with this channel and my short form content, Life with Holly Lifestyle. First thing I want to update with you guys is that I have been very confused the past month, especially in November. It was super busy with small biz, so maybe that's also one of the reasons, but I think the main reason is that the space has been super dark, and if you know me, you know I love shooting natural lighting, and there just hasn't been any natural light in the space. I did try to set up cozy lighting like what I have now, but I just couldn't find something that I liked. I don't know if it's because I'm just into more natural lighting or I just haven't figured it out yet. That's something that's been pretty unmotivating, very slow, and I just post when I kind of need to, especially when I have collabs or anything. But hopefully in December I can figure something out or lighting starts popping up. I don't know. I'm not going to be too hard on myself because it is the end of the year anyways. And that way I can take some time to kind of figure out where I want to go with things. I mentioned this in my last Plan With Me video, so if you haven't seen that, I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. Yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling. Feel free to let me know in the comments how you feel about my content so far, whether it's long form or this YouTube channel or in my short form. But yeah, any feedback would be great. So since I have cozy lighting, I think I might try to focus on tech with Holly instead. I do have some videos that I am working on, film some more, so maybe I'll try something different this month to see how it goes. But this month is also really busy with small biz, which I'll talk to you about in a sec. But I do still want to do my own things and stuff like that. It might also be because baby is always awake and I only get like this really small window. Like for example, right now I have a small window to film this video, and then she'll wake up and then I won't be busy for the rest of the day. So yeah, that is kind of where we're at right now. I'm just gonna go with the flow and see how things go. But yeah, that's a little update with Life with Holly Lifestyle. Now let's chat Poi Hun, which is my small business. We actually have some pretty big news for December. We're actually extending our office warehouse and we're gonna have another area. The reason for that is that we are getting a printer. We're gonna be printing in-house starting in December or mid-December. And I'm super excited for that. That is a really big step that we've been thinking about for the past couple years actually, so I'm excited to see how things go and I'm excited to share more. In the beginning we were just going to use our current space for the printer, but as we kind of realized things were coming in and there was just going to be not enough space for our storage for our stock, we were planning to get a storage unit, but thinking about it sounds crazy because then you'll have to go and drop it off over there and bring things in and out as you go. And I just felt like that would be a really big hassle even if it's nearby. Everything close to us would be just perfect. And as we were thinking about it, a space opened up just across our space, so it's in the same building and the same floor, so just a little bit of a mini walk, but that's pretty much it. And we thought that would just be perfect to keep everything close by and stuff like that. We felt like the investment in that would be a lot better. It'll save us a lot of time and just have our own space also. So that is the little news that I have for you guys. So definitely in December, we'll be focusing on that a lot also. Just reorganizing, cleaning up the space. We're gonna move all our production, so paper stuff that we have, the things that we use for spiral planner to that space, along with the printer. So everything is just in the production area together. And then the room that's used for production now is going to turn into storage space. So now there's more storage, more space, and things will be too crowded. And after a whole year of being in this space, I am finally going to be able to clean up the space, reorganize things. There's just a lot of random things that are just put aside for now, and I just haven't had time to deal with since baby was born this year. So hopefully I can get most of that done sometime this upcoming month and things will be good for 2026. I just want to film more stuff. I just haven't been filming a lot of the behind the scenes in the warehouse or anything in the office because it's a mess. So hopefully we'll be able to do that and do more kind of small business behind the scenes videos. So I'm excited for that, but there are exciting things coming up and it's gonna be a busy season, busy time, but I'm super excited. And then lastly is to learn how to use the printer. I do have some print background, but it's definitely going to be a learning curve, especially for the hubby too, because he's going to be helping me with that, and kind of just having a new routine also, getting that done. I also have a lot of things that I want to add. So now that we have a printer, we can do anything and everything. I'm planning to bring back ring planner inserts, which I've been wanting to do for a while now, and design more stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy, but I'm super excited, and yeah. Okay, let's chat planners. I am still using my Passport as my main planner. I use it, I bring it home, I bring it to work, I have it everywhere I go. It just has all my to-dos in here, including a little bit of home stuff, but mainly it's just work stuff. So Life of Holly Lifestyles and Poi Hun stuff are in here. We also released some new sticky notes and things to help me with this. So we have a brain dump here, which I have been loving. I recently also released this daily. I think this would be perfect just in case you just need something to write for the day, but you don't need a full daily insert. Usually I have a weekly insert, so it's nice to have daily kind of sticky notes when I need something super quick and I just have a lot of tasks for the day. I'm loving the brain dump one also. We also came up with these smaller ones too. So we have a top 3 and just regular notes. This fits perfectly inside the Passport discbound. So I've been super excited for these, and I just wanted some new sticky notes in my planner system, and I thought this would be perfect because a lot of times I just use kind of some sort of list insert, and then I would have sticky notes all over the place, usually in the front in my inbox. Right now I don't have any. That's kind of how I've been planning in here. Just keep everything super simple. I just need to get through this year, and hopefully I'll set up something for 2026, and then we can get back into real planning. And I'm still using my 2026 month-on-one page DIY kind of notebook here. This has been my go-to for Poi Hun. Basically, I can just plan everything in here. All my notes are in one book, which I've been loving. So if I ever need to find something, it's in here for sure. And then I plan out the month. So I'm excited to keep using this, especially for January and the rest of 2026, because I've been just testing it out with the October to December, because we do have those as bonus months. So I've been loving that. I've been testing it out, see what works and doesn't work, and I'll definitely be continue using that for 2026. And I'm excited to just have everything in one book, but also still plan in a separate book. I'm still thinking about what I want to do for 2026. As I mentioned in my Poi Hun update, I do want to bring back rings. As I mentioned, we'll be bringing back A5 rings first, and I'm thinking if I want to set up an A5 rings for 2026 instead. My video might be a little late on that because we are going to be releasing that in December, so I was going to do the video in December, so we're going to see what's going to happen there, or maybe I'm just going to switch back into a discbound. I'm still deciding what I want to do. Also for me personally, if you know me, I always set up something for home, which is Life with Holly Lifestyles, and I will set up something for Poi Hun separately. But for me, Life with Holly, I've been deciding if I want to do the spiral or dismount. I want to use work week agenda for sure. I did set up a half-year version in here for 2026. As you see, it has tabs and everything. I thought it'd be super cute. It's still compact because it's just half the year only, but I'll only be having my weekly in here. No other inserts can be in here. I also did set up a discbound, also with the same stuff, but also with extra inserts that I might want. So I'm still deciding what I want to do. But hopefully I can update you sometime in December and do a full 2026 planner setup video with you guys. But yeah, so that is it. I wanted to share this one also. I got this really pretty LV. This is like a Mother's Day edition. This was my gift to myself for having my mini Chloe. So I thought it was super cute. I've always wanted a desk agenda from Louis Vuitton, and they came out with this one. I thought it was perfect because it also has a clasp. I prefer usually most of the time, especially if I'm bringing it in and out of the office. But the only thing is it's blue inside. I don't know if that matches my aesthetic. It is a really pretty blue. I like it personally, but sometimes you just gotta match your own aesthetic. But the front looks cute, so I'm not complaining, but this is what I have right now. I did set it up a little bit, so I'm gonna see if this is something I'm gonna continue for 2026, or if I'm just gonna stick with the work week agenda in the spiral version. But yeah, that is kind of my mini updates even on 2026 planners. but I will update you again when I fully figure it out. And yeah. Lastly, we're going to chat about my hobbies. One of my biggest hobbies is definitely journaling, and I've done a little bit of that on the beginning of this month. The hubby went on a business trip. I kind of wrote down how things were so that I can read it to him or just memory for myself after that. And then a lot of big things have happened with the little one, so I got to do a lot of journaling on that. Her first time sitting in a high chair and her first time sitting in a cart, which is all on the same day, but that was super cute. I also have little dad was gone, this is what we did kind of little poses in here. So I would say I didn't journal every single day, but I journal when I could, and I'm not mad about that. So that's super cute. I switched into one of my smaller paper republics. I think it's nice and cute and just simple, so that's why I've been doing, and that's one of the things I've used. On weekends I do carry a little pouch here just in case I want to journal. I do have this new cover here. This is actually made by the hubby. It's super cute. He actually made a different one before that. The first one, it was very rough, but the second one looks pretty good. This is kind of like an A6. I do just have my passport stuff in here. It still fits pretty well in here. I did do a journal ecosystem video last month, I believe, so I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But this was just something he was interested in making and want to test it out and try, so I've been loving this. It's super cute. And I've been using this as my kind of like weekend journal, so I just have it in here. I don't have my traveling journal with me because we haven't been traveling, so I'm just going to stick with this one till the end of this year. Lastly, I set up this little pocket ring planner. So it's a ring planner. It's more for like my personal stuff, things like personal to-do tasks. Usually it's just chores. I have keeping track of like my wish list, things that I want to sell or things that I want to buy, Black Friday stuff, personal things and like that. I also have a cleaning planner insert here. This is actually a printable from Poi Hun, so I have that in here. But mainly this is almost like a home / personal planner journal thing. I also have a checklist of foods that I want baby to try, so it's just something cute. I just want to keep track of some baby stuff in here, so that's mainly what it was for. And then I try to test things out to see what I like and what I want to add in here. But yeah, it's more for like personal, so I love that for just having it with me. Cover is from Giglio. They came out with this really pretty brown color and I had to pick it up. But yeah, so that is kind of a little update on that. That's something new that I wanted to share with you guys. Other than that, I haven't done much hobbies or anything. I think one thing I really want to try this month is to do either coloring or watercoloring. Even for one day in December would be amazing. I recently got this cozy coloring and drawing book from Bobby Good. It's super cute and I really want to try it. And I just opened it, so they actually have a little section where you can learn how to draw, so I thought that was super cute. I can take some time, even if I'm just in the kitchen, in the living room, to try it out. And then on the other side, you have some coloring pages, I believe. Coloring page, and you have some blank pages to kind of try things out. I thought that was super cute, and I wanted to try it. So any type of art that is like drawing, coloring, painting, I want to try to do at least once this in December. I'm not going to be too hard on myself. Obviously, I'm going to continue journaling, but I'm gonna keep things simple, just do one thing. Maybe I'll just use this one at least because this is for the winter time anyways, so this is my best bet. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my December plan with me video. I can't believe December is here and it's gonna be the last month of this year, and I can't wait to share more in 2026. Baby's also growing, so hopefully I have a little bit more time doing other things, trying to do other things, but I can't believe this year went by. I'd say fast and slow at the same time, but I'm excited to see what's to come. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!